I put in a larger pot. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the chickpea water that I use to soak the chickpea in. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, because what recipe does not deserve a little bit of salt? And I'm gonna add some olive oil. So this is the unfiltered organic olive oil. Put in here. Just about a tablespoon, just so it doesn't stick as much to the bottom. I like the consistency. It's very interesting. I really don't know how much longer this has to cook. I guess it may depend on what consistency I want. I hope it gets to where it needs to get to in less than 7 minutes, because I have to go get my children. But this is really interesting. A little porridge. So, to be continued.